In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the board background on Trello step by step. If you've applied a background image or color and you want to go back to a clean, simple look, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. Trello makes it easy to customize your boards, but sometimes finding the option to reset or change the background can be a little confusing if you don't know where to look. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove or change your Trello board background in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tips. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main workspace where you can see all of your boards. From here, click on Boards to view the full list if you're not already there. Now select the board where you want to remove or change the background. Click on that board to open it. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the menu option, which may appear as 3 dots or a Show Menu button, depending on your layout. Click on it to open the board menu panel on the right-hand side. Inside this side panel, find and click on Change Background. This is where Trello allows you to customize the appearance of your board. When you click on Change Background, you'll see different options, including colors and photos. If your board currently has an image background applied, you can remove it by selecting a solid color instead. Click on the Colors option. Trello will display a variety of plain color backgrounds. To effectively remove a busy or distracting image background, simply choose a neutral solid color, such as white, light gray, or blue. Clicking on the color will instantly apply it to your board. If you previously selected a photo from the Photo section, switching back to a solid color will remove that image background immediately. There's no separate delete button for backgrounds in Trello. Changing the background to a plain color is how you reset it. You can also explore the different color options and choose the most minimal one if your goal is a cleaner workspace. Once you click on your preferred color, the change is saved automatically. There's no need to press a save button. After selecting the new background, simply close the side menu by clicking the X at the top of the panel or clicking anywhere outside the menu. Your board will now display the updated simplified background. And that's it. That's how you remove a board background on Trello by switching it back to a solid color. It only takes a few clicks once you know where the settings are located. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.